Hello, family and friends. I wanted to share something with you all that I saw earlier. I was talking to my boss, Conrad, my sister. We were sitting here talking, and we wanted to try it. So we're going to try this because everybody's using hand sanitizers being recommended. And yes, it helps, but it's also very dangerous. So we're going to put a little bit of this hand sanitizer on this plate here. Don't try it at home. Don't be like us, but be careful if you do. Put that there. And on the sanitizer, we're going to turn on the lighter. And as you can see, I'm putting the fire here on the sanitizer, and it doesn't catch any fire. It doesn't catch on fire. But you can't see anything. It's invisible. But if you put a napkin, look what happens.
Oh.
Liz.
Wow.
So you have to be careful. If you're around open fire, if you have a gas stove, if you're barbecuing, you want to make s'mores. I know you get bored, but be careful because it's flammable. Your hands. And it still remains on fire even though we put water in here. It still will catch on fire. You can't see it. Conrad, let's try to turn off the light and see if you can see anything. Wow,
look at it's blue.
So the flame is there on the sanitizer, and even if you move it around, it still will catch on fire.
And there's
very dangerous, and we have water in the plate. So be careful with the sanitizer, guys. Please be very careful. Wash your hands with soap and water if you're going to cook on a gas stove. If you're going to barbecue. We as Christians, we're not smokers, but if somebody out there smokes, be careful. Wash your hands with soap and water. The way that they're recommending us, be careful with the hand sanitizer. Because it does catch on fire.
And the Bible also says, keep it away from open flame or because it's flammable. It says that right on the bottle.
So that means your hands, all the ones you're spreading on, we're putting it on our hands. Be careful, guys. Be careful. It's dangerous. Just wanted to share because we love you and we care about you. Take care of your kids. Take care of yourselves. And let's just pray for each other and help each other. If you guys want to share this video, share the video. Be careful if you want to try it for yourself, but this is true. Be careful. We love you. God bless.